welcome. This one's a nice simple one. Bit of few ingredients, but it's quite nice. Well, it looks nice anyway, so we'll find out whether it is nice, but I'm looking forward to it. It's a pinch and arm. Pinch and arm comfort food. It's going to be yummy, sweet and spicy meatballs with some white rice. So it looks quite nice. There's a few ingredients here, as I say. But apart from that, it's quite simple. I'm going to do my meatballs in the air fryer. It says do them in the oven here. But I'm going to do them in the air fryer, the meatballs. I'm going to do the sauce on the hob. So how hard can it be? Right then, so let's show you what we got all together. We've got 500 grams of pork mince, 5%. They use pork, they say use pork, you can use beef if you want, or turkey, or whatever you want, or chicken. It's up to you. I'm using pork, because the recipe's using pork. 1 egg. Half a teaspoon of ginger. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder. A quarter of a teaspoon of salt and a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper. That's just for the mince, for the, what they're called, the meatballs. So we'll do that first, because we're not having it yet. Obviously we're going to have it for tea. But I'll prepare the meatballs. I'll put them in the fridge till we're ready to do it. So first things first, you get all your ingredients in the bowl. Just get it in there. I do like some of this pinch and arm stuff, to be honest with you. Get your egg in. Just give that a little mix first. Now I'm going to get the mince in. I don't know how many it's going to make, but we'll find out, won't we? Pork mince, I think this is just over £2 for 500 grams, so from Aldi. What we'll do is we'll mix it all together, get it into some meatballs. Then I'll show you the ingredients I've got for the sauces. Get it all mixed in. Well, I've got a plate with some pepper on it, lining paper. So now we'll get some meatballs. They're a bit loose. I don't know how big I want them. I don't want them that big, do I? And I'll make all these up, see how many we get. Right, last one. I've got 11 out of mine. You probably get a lot more. I've made mine a lot bigger, because I fancy them a bit bigger. I don't fancy the little poxy ones. Get some big ones in there. So we'll get them in the fridge. And when it's nearly time to cook, air fry for them and hob for the sauce, and I'll show you the ingredients for that. Right, on to the next thing. I've set it all up. I'll show you what we got for the sauce. So, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garlic granules, half a teaspoon of garlic, which I've used just the lazy garlic, just as easy, ain't it? A little bit of ginger. We want 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of dark soya, or soya, anyone likes, whatever, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of hoisin, and it says 3 tablespoons of orange juice. So I just got a fresh orange and I just used a whole orange. That looks about 3 tablespoons roughly. And some rice. Says use basmati, but I'm just using long grain. It's what we got in. 50p for a big bag. I've done 3 cups of that, and I've washed it. Ran it under the cold water. So that's basically it, really. That's the sauce. Meatballs are in the fridge. Water on for the rice. Cook away. Right, so what we want to do, get a bowl. In a bowl, we want everything apart from the crushed garlic and the ginger into a bowl itself. So we'll get the tomato ketchup, the sriracha, the chili powder, the garlic granules. We'll We get it all in a bowl. With 3 tablespoons of each of the sauces, the honey and everything. I'll do the honey last because it's the stickiest. White wine vinegar. 1, 2, 3. Hoisin sauce. 3. Dark soya. 1, 2, 3 of them. Now we want 3 honey. 3. And your orange juice. And give it a mix. Right, we are ready to go. Right, I've got my water boiling for my rice, because that can just sit and rest after when it's done. First things first, we're going to get the air fryer to warm up. What shall I do it on? I'm going to do it on an air grill to get that nice bit on it. I'm going to turn that down a bit though. 200 degrees. We'll get that warmed up. There's the meatballs, been in the fridge about 40 minutes, I think, something like that. While that's warming up, we'll get the rice into the hot water. I'll give it a stir. We'll bring it back to the boil, and then we'll simmer it down, and then that'll be the rice done. Now it says add the food, so we're going to add the food. We're going to get the, should be able to do it with my hand actually. I'll put the rice on to simmer. You'll get all these in. Should be able to, I think. Burn my ends. I don't know how long they're going to take in here. I've never done them in here, so it'll be trial and error sort of. I reckon about 10 minutes, maybe turn over or something. And get a bit, leave a bit of room between each one. There we go. We'll get them doing, and that's just me making a coffee, so you'll probably hear the kettle. Bit of one spray in the bottom of this pan. I'm going to get it heated up. Should have heated it first, really. You want to get your peppers in first. Right, I'm just going to get my peppers in first. You want to fry them up for a couple of minutes. Get them all in there. Don't be shy. Looks dark in this kitchen again, doesn't it? Doesn't it? You think?
Oh, this one's over there. That's fine.
Really dark.
I just noticed when I walked in, I think it's because the way the sun position is down there instead of it being at the front of that.
Got all my lights in on them. It looks dark. It might look better on the video, but it looks dark to me. Just have a quick look at this. How long has this been in? 12 minutes. Not long. Yeah, nowhere near. Just checking. They're probably split now with me. But hey, it's all in the taste. Looking nice. Rice is coming on nicely. If you can see it, let me show you. There it is over there. Now I'm going to get my garlic and my ginger in. I'm going to get that bit in there and all. Just to mix it together a little bit. Only not long, 30 seconds or so. Right, now I'm going to get my sauce in. Get all that in. Turn it down low. And I'm going to turn that off, and I'm going to wait until my meatballs are ready, then I can stick them in and turn it back on for a couple of minutes. Oh, but it smells delicious, you know. Rice is done. There you go. Even though you can see it with the steam. I'm going to turn that off. That can do its thing. Now I said it was dark. Didn't have the light on above me, did I? That's why it's dark. Useless, ain't I? I've just checked these. And the temperature. And they're fine. So I'm going to get them all out. Don't forget they've got to go in the sauce yet. So I don't want them completely burnt. Well, brown. So I want to get some of that proper juice on them before they go completely brown. So we're getting them out. You've got a barbecue look on the top, look. We'll turn that off. There they are for the minute. Looking quite nice. Smelling nice. We'll get the sauce back on and then we'll get them in. Rice is done. Another 5 minutes or so and that'll be bang on. Right, the sauce is warmed back up. I'm going to get me meatballs back in. I'm just going to get them coated. I'm going to try and get the sauce a little bit thicker as it boils away. So I usually just buy my own meatballs from Aldi. I mean, I suppose you could just buy your own and do the sauce, couldn't you, I suppose? And about 180, well, last time I bought some was about 180. We haven't had meatballs for quite a while, actually, to be honest with you. Looking nice and coated now. Just thicken that sauce up a little bit and then we're ready. I've done enough rice to feed the 5,000, I think. Done loads of rice. So I'm going to get my meatballs in here. Looking nice, actually. I could have put it in one pan, couldn't I, for a thumbnail, but I put it on here and people might not like it, you see, so I don't like it, it's a bit tough, ain't it? Try and get a nice thumbnail. We'll get some of this over the top. I mean, your waist, you can't even see. Look at me, look at the state of me. There we go then. I don't know if you can see that with the steam. I think it looks quite nice. Smells delicious. So, let's get on the table and we'll have a crack. Right, I've already dished part dished up, so I'll give our lads out theirs and they've gone away, so they're not on camera. So let me show you the other bits. There's the meatballs that's left. I haven't even tasted it, so I don't know what it's like. There's the rice. I've done rice for the whole street. There's the meatballs. So let's dish up. They look nice, don't they? Smell lovely, don't they? How many have you? 3, 4?
Just 3, please.
3? 3 for Nat.
Thank you.
And sauce.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Try that bit there. There's loads of sauce here, I think. Anyway, there's enough anyway. I don't know what it's like. That's digging in and telling me. Let me show you. I don't think I've done bad. What do you think? Nice? Horrible?
Yeah,
That's well, you're tucking in, ain't you, sweetheart?
Yeah,
So.
it's really nice, babe, thank you. What's that sauce?
Yes, sweet and spicy. There's loads of sauce there if you want a bit more. You probably could do a bit more with your rice, couldn't you? So you could have it with pasta, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Have it with pasta. I've had it with rice because that's what it says on there. There's my rice.
Chips. Carrot chips, or you could have noodles.
Noodles.
Chips.
Rice is lovely and fluffy, ain't it?
And that was nice.
50p for that Aldi rice, only 49p I think for that long grain rice.
One of the best
They're
rices
essential,
you've
it's really good. As long as you just leave it to do, don't you? Don't mess with it. Let's try one of these. Cooked, yes.
I can taste the spice.
Taste the
Got a
spice.
bit of kick, yeah. Not too much of a kick, but it's got a bit of a kick. I think you don't notice it first time.
The pork's nice. I preferred it with beef or something though. Wouldn't you?
It doesn't matter, it's still nice.
No, it doesn't matter. I'm just saying, that's all. With whatever you choose, innit? You know.
Yeah, have lamb.
That would be a lot more expensive, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah. Lamb is, yeah. Keep forgetting.
Could probably do a bit more salt and pepper on them. But it's to taste, isn't it? But I just went by the book.
You could do a bit more sauce.
But I think it's classed as a low calorie meal, I think.
Oh, right.
That's why. No. Yeah, 315 calories a portion.
Oh.
So it's more like
I know what you mean.
a diet thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it is nice, isn't it?
Mm.
But as I say, to your taste, if you didn't want it as a diet thing, you double the ingredients up and got a lot more sauce and put some more salt and pepper on it.
But it is nice.
And then you'd be okay, wouldn't you? Mm. But yeah, if you're on a diet, that's bang on, isn't it?
Mm. Yeah. And it's filling.
Mm.
Get a fill up.
Yeah, so fair play. Another pinch and arm, which is nice. And some more sauce. Loads of sauce there, look. There's some
okay.
sauce.
There's some good recipes out of that book, isn't there?
Mm. She's chasing the shadow in the window, the dog. You stupid dog you are. No, you're not getting up here.
You've been out for playing.
Yeah, you can feel that kick, can't you? You just got a little kick there.
Not until after you've had a few mouthfuls.
But you can have it a bit spicy if you want to, a bit. I think that's about right, don't you? A bit of spiciness for not ruining your dinner. Mm.
I know, you
Fair
don't want to ruin your dinner, do you? Over spicy.
Mm. Will I cook this again? Yeah, I would. I put a bit more salt, a bit more pepper on the meatballs. And then I think you're good to go. Maybe double the ingredients on a sauce if you want a load more sauce. But this says it makes 500 gram there, makes 500 gram of mince, pork, makes 20 meatballs. I've got 11. So they probably had a lot smaller ones. I've had bigger ones. All in all, yeah. You're doing it, Bab. You've ate it all, ain't you? The sauce left, look. So there is sauce there.
Oh yeah, but you know what I'm like with gravy and everything. I have to lash it over going on. It's not one of them recipes where you lash.
Well, it is, according to that.
Yeah, but their meatballs are loads smaller. So, yeah.
No, I don't know, I've probably done something wrong as normal.
No, I found it.
Well, it's good enough, isn't it?
Yeah, no,
I probably boiled it a bit too long then, instead of just leaving it, you know. I
like it though.
I did have to turn it off to wait for the meatballs to be done though. So maybe it thickens up on its own too quick.
It's gone a bit thick then, hasn't it?
Mm. But all in all,
I think it's really nice. I've enjoyed this. Mm.
I mean, if you had it like this, in a bowl, at the back there, where you can see it, wouldn't you? Probably be a bit more then.
Oh, yeah.
Probably be a bit better then. But there we go, all in all, as I say, pinch and arm, sweet and spicy meatballs. It is delicious. A little bit of a kick. It's got that nice sweet bit as well, hasn't it? She's nuts, that dog is absolutely nuts.
Chasing a shadow.
Anyway, as I say, I am the old food guy. So like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. What would you give that out of 10, Bab?
A definite 9.
9?
Yeah. 9?
Nah, give it a 9.
Yeah. I don't think you need to salt and pepper your meatballs.
I think I just need a bit more salt and pepper.
I can't tell the difference though, it's really true.
I think just a little bit of salt.
I was give it a 9.
It's to your taste, isn't it? This is the saying, isn't it? All to your taste, isn't it?
I really enjoyed
I'll
it.
put a bit more salt on it. Might have been too salty for you.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
But she's at all hers. Anyway, see you later. Bye-bye.